Hi and welcome to today's offering for entertainment, or what passes as entertainment. I'm just laying this bit of paper out here because I'm going to take a load of tools out of the deruster, the deox. These pliers I'm going to do today, and the rest I shall do very soon. These have all been sitting in the deox solution for 24 hours. I shall just pull them all out and we'll see how clean they are. Taking these ones away because they didn't come in the delivery with the resprays. Just lay everything out here so you can see what we've got, and then just start drying things off generally quickly with a paper towel, just to speed up the drying off process. Once you wipe all this like blacky residue off, it's like a black dusty residue, you actually end up with a very clean lump of metal left, I find. Look at that. Right, I'll just speed through the cleaning up process here. I think I end up using that paper towel, that same paper towel, for every single one of these. It is just taking off what's come out of the deoxy mixture there. This was a new mixture that I mixed up just for these, I believe. So, while I leave these just to dry off in all the nooks and crannies I couldn't get to with the paper, do you remember the other day I had the earth problem coming back through the bench sander? Well, even after running that earth pole, I've still got it. So I've located where the earth comes into the machine, and it earth in the same place. So I'm going to drill through the side here so I can run a big earth wire through that straight to where it comes into the machine, so it's connecting back to everywhere. I'm going to ground the body and ground the shield around the sand and belt too. Finished hole. I'm going to be coming in here to there, out there, to there, and over to there. So I want at least that much. Okay, I've spread these open. I'm going to put that underneath the washer that I've loosened from where the earth comes in, so that everything's all joined together. I've got a lack of rubber grommets, so I'm just working out where this will pass through the body, and I'm wrapping a thick old bit of tape around it. Keep it in place, stop it vibrating, stop the body cutting through the wire plastic covering. Now this here, I believe, is an external proper earthing point, yet there's no bared metal, it's all painted. So I've bared the metal with some emery paper, and I strip this piece of wire back now, but not cut through it, otherwise you're breaking the continuity. This way, the wire's still continuous. Once again, don't copy me, I'm a moron, yeah. Don't do any electrical work yourself, unless you're qualified. Straight through there. Nice little hole, right? Now, although the body's earthed inside, it's re-earthed there. This is what you call overkill. And then we'll also go into here, so that's a reasonably safe-ish place there. Again, it's paint. There we go, so we cut that off there. And if it still gives me a shock, I don't know what to fucking do. Change my shoes, stand on some rubber, I don't know. there we go. Plug it back in. Get all these tools out of the way. A job to do a job to do a job, isn't it? As you can no doubt see, this is now loads better. Pleased with this job. Now back to these water pump pliers. This is how they dried off after the toweling. This is when I stripped the handles off because they were just beyond use. So this is now ready. Look at it. This is now ready to go over to the wire wheel to get a clean. Now this won't take long at all, people, because I'm going to stick this on hyper fast forward, because you don't want to watch the wheel spinning round and round and round for minutes, do you? It's not like it's ASMR or anything. And a quick run through the 3M wheel as well. That gets off any bit the wire brush couldn't get in. And here's what they look like before the wire wheel. That deox seed does absolutely everywhere to really clean it up. Then when you wire wheel it, you're just bringing the metal straight back up to new. Okay, so I thought I would just use the plastic dip on the handle, sealed for the last few months. And I open it up to find it's just a little old lump in the bottom, believe it. 18 quid to do about 2 pairs of pliers handles. Ridiculous. Sorry if it's still going in out of focus, but you know the score. 99.99. 99 per month, please. Patreon. You can't go wrong. You get some wicked content. If you subscribe to my Patreon, you get absolutely nothing extra. You're not even guaranteed that it won't be blurry. Because I do my best, and after that I don't really give it. Monkeys. I'm glad you all watch. Gives me something to do. Now I'm on extended holidays. Red primer. It's going to get red primer. Full of our red handles. So we're getting near the end again. Here's what they look like before, and here's what they look like now. Realised that the handles should be light red, but I liked them so much in the dirty burgundy there that I've done these again dirty burgundy. They're very nice, I like them. It's this way, keeping the pattern on the handles. Very nice. I'm going to have to start making a nice collection of these. Okay, in the next video I think I'll have a clean up of those other tools that were sitting all at the start of this video. That was all the pliers and everything that coming in one bulk lot last week. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice rest of the holiday. Bye for now.